Hello and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at what has happened and what we expect to happen and how we can profit off of the future price action within Bitcoin. If that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. And make sure you watch this video until the end, because I am going to give you some very valuable information which is going to help you profit within this market. And this is how my team and I are profiting every single week. Okay, we are profiting because we are very patient. We have our levels, okay, which I'm going to talk about in this video. We remain patient and we look for the reaction off of our key levels. Once we see the reaction we like, okay, with the confirmation and the confluence, then and only then do we enter a trade. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about those levels that I am interested in trading. So we're going to jump straight on into the charts, but before we do, if you want access to the free courses, make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to the free courses. We also have the Visionary membership there as well, which gives you access to the Discord where I give all of my trades away. But enough of that, let's jump straight on into the charts. What can we see for Bitcoin right now? Well, right now for Bitcoin, we can see that it is ranging. Okay, it is ranging very clearly. Okay, we have a very clear value, a very clear range low at $25,271, then a very clear range high up here at around $27,009. Okay, so we have this very clear range. Okay, now just to give you a bit of history on the past 24 hours or so. Okay, the range was once like this, okay, between $25,579 and $27,009. Okay, this was the original range. Okay, and what happened? Well, we got an SFP of this range low right here, okay, with bullish indications coming in, as in bullish CVDs, bullish open interest. Okay, all of these confirmation factors that we're looking for were all aligning. Okay, and this was a very valid long position, as you can see right here, very valid long position. Okay, with the stop loss coming in at the low here. Okay, this was a very valid long position. Okay, and that would have been very profitable. Okay, now we are looking to make more trades like this. Okay, and this is what I'm teaching over on the Visionary Discord. I'm teaching people how to get into trades like this. This is one of the longs that we took here. Okay, 70% profits. Okay, and we're coming back here, over 750%, 779% in a profit on one of these short trades that we're in, and we're currently still in that short position right now, which is in around $1,000 in a profit. So again, if you want to gain access to that, click the link in the description and head over to bittrading.uk. But to sort of talk about the levels that we are looking for now. Okay, remember, we've still got this range, but the range low is now down here at $25,271. Okay, so here is the very clear. Here is the very clear range. Okay, that we can possibly trade. Okay, but now what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for the levels that we can trade from now. Okay, now what are the levels? Well, the first level that I was looking at was this one here, 26,187. Okay, I was looking for some confirmation, some confluence at this level to potentially enter into a long position. Okay, I didn't see any of that coming in. Okay, so I can get rid of that level. Okay, and now that I haven't seen any of that bullish confirmation, bullish confluence coming in, what am I expecting? Well, I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to actually continue to pull back further. Okay, potentially down to this internal low right here. Okay, so we have the initial low of the range right here. Okay, that's the initial low, but we have an internal low of the range right here, just like we have an internal high right here. Okay, we have an internal high. This was another internal low. Okay, but it's not an important internal low, because as you can see, we've broken that level very clearly, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so the first levels that I'm looking at are the internal levels. Okay, the first internal level, which I would expect the price to come down to, is actually $25,792. This is the first internal level that I'm interested in trading. Okay, if we see the confirmation and we see the confluence at this level, okay, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a long position, possibly taking this to range high. Okay, so that's one of the scenarios that I'm going to be looking at and potentially trading if I see the confirmation and I see the confluence. Okay, what else am I looking for? Well, okay, we have this internal high up here. Okay, say the price was to come up to this internal high. Okay, we were to see the confirmation and the confluence at this level. What am I going to do? Well, I'm actually going to short from this level up here, only if I see the confirmation and the confluence at that level. Okay, if I don't see the confirmation or the confluence, then we're looking at higher prices. Okay, and then from there we could potentially look at a short position. Okay, so those are the two internal levels that I'm interested in trading. Okay, however, if I don't see the confirmation or the confluence at either one of those levels, what am I going to be looking for? Well, I'm going to be looking for the external levels, which are going to be the initial, okay, range high and range low. Okay, so we have the range low, range high, sorry, up here, and we have the range low down here. Okay, so if price comes up to range high, okay, breaks through this internal level here, okay, most likely going to come up to range high. At range high, if I see bearish indications, okay, so bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into that short position, okay, taking TP1 possibly at the mid-range, okay, and then actually targeting sort of the low of the range, okay. And yeah, that will be the bearish case scenario. But the bullish case scenario, okay, is that we come down, okay, say we break this internal level here with no bullish, you know, say we come down to this internal level and we have no bullish bias. Okay, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to target the lows down here. Okay, now if we come and tap this low here and we see the bullish confirmations, the bullish confluence, okay, and the bullish bias, okay, with confluence, what are we going to do? Okay, well, we're going to enter into a long position again, okay, targeting the mid-range, okay, and overall target of the range high. Okay, up here, okay, taking TP1 at that mid-range. Okay, so these are all the scenarios that I'm looking at, and the only scenarios that I'm looking at this moment in time. At this moment in time, it is Thursday, the 24th of August, and it is currently 9:10. Okay, so these are the only levels that I'm looking at this moment in time. It may change in the future. Okay, if we start to range in here, you know, we could be looking at some internal levels around here. Okay, but initially, okay, the four levels that I have drawn on the chart right here are the only levels that I am looking at trading at this moment in time. Okay, and if I do enter a trade at one of these levels, okay, the first people to know about it will be the people on the Visionary Discord. So if you want access to that, click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here, gain access to the free courses, and you can also gain access to the Visionary Discord. Okay, but that's pretty much all I've got for you. Okay, I've very clearly stated the levels that I'm looking at trading, okay, and what I'm looking for at those levels, okay, the bullish confirmation, the bullish confluence, okay. Once those levels are tapped, okay, my alert will be set, okay, for that level, so my alert will go off, okay. Once my alert's gone off, sorry, I can sit down on my computer and evaluate, is the price, okay, giving me bullish confirmation and bullish confluence at this level? If it is, great, we can enter into a trade. If not, then we can target the next level, whether that be towards the upside or towards the downside, okay? As of right now, it looks as though price, because we've broken this internal level here, it looks as though price wants to come to this internal level here, okay? So this is what I'm targeting, okay? I'm targeting this internal level right here. From there, we can reevaluate, are we going to long or are we going to remain patient waiting for this lower level, okay? And then from there, we can reevaluate, are we going to long or are we going to be looking for lower targets, okay? Those are the scenarios that I'm looking for, okay? And obviously we have the bullish biases as well, okay, which are looking something like that, okay? So that's everything I've got for you today. If you enjoyed this little update, then please make sure you smash that like button. If you want access to the Visionary Discord, link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk and smash that thumbs up button, please. It really helps me out, really helps the channel out, and we can grow this channel together. So thank you very much for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. See you later, guys.